I'm Abby, and the patty don't start till I walk in with my new Morph Me brushes. A great makeup brush is like a 4-leaf clover. Hard to find, but lucky to have. Prepare to get shamrocked with 3 amazing brushes from our March collection. To see how to land some lucky kisses on St. Patty's Day after using this under eye powder brush, angled buffer, and bullet crease brush, keep watching. To start off this lucky look, I'm concealing under my eyes and nose with my E46 mini angled buffer brush. Then, I'm blending out that concealer with my E56 Deluxe Under Eye Powder brush. Next, I'm grabbing my E46 to apply powder under my eyes and nose. Oops. Then I'm taking my E56 to apply blush and contour my cheeks. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using my angled buffer brush to apply Santa Monica from my LiveGlam Shadow Me palette to my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm taking Beverly Hills with that same brush to deepen up the crease. To make everything sharp and precise, I'm using my E24 Bullet Crease brush. For some more drama, I'm cutting my crease using concealer, then I'm adding Malibu to the inner half of my eyes. Next, I'm going back to my E46 in the shade Santa Monica to blend that into Malibu for a seamless transition. Then, I'm taking my Bullet Crease brush to add final touches and a pop of shimmer on my inner corner. To really look like a pot of gold, I'm applying Hollywood on my brow bone using that same brush. Then I'm applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes to finish up the eyes. Lastly, I'm applying my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in Leprechaun to complete this look. After you strike gold with these brushes, give us a tag on Instagram at liveglam.co and use our hashtag LiveGlamFam so we can see the cutest clovers in the patch. Stay glam!